Hello everyone, my name is Hari and you're watching Gossipfunda. In this video, you'll be learning how to restart your iPhone if it's stuck or frozen on the Apple logo for a long time. So if your iPhone is stuck on the Apple logo for a long time or it isn't responding, so you have to follow these instructions. So for iPhone 6, 6 Plus, 6S, 6S Plus, SE, the older versions of iPhone, you have to hold your lock button and home button at the same time. So here I have an iPhone SE, so I'm holding my home button plus lock button for a couple of seconds. So here you can see the Apple logo shows again. So hold it until it restarts or it goes into recovery mode. So most probably if iPhone is stuck on the Apple logo, it will go into recovery mode by itself. We hold this button for a couple of seconds, and here you can see I'll be using an iPhone 11. So here you'll be using the volume down and the lock button for a couple of seconds, and here you can see the emergency screen shows up, but for you should go to the recovery mode and the Apple logo should show again like this after a couple of seconds. So after that, what you can do is, if you haven't downloaded iTunes, go to Google and search for iTunes download. So here you can see the latest version of iTunes. Download the latest version for Windows if you have Windows, or Mac it should be installed. Just update if you haven't updated yet on your Mac. So here I'll be showing you how to do it on Windows. So go to the iTunes and wait for the iTunes to load up, and after you have installed the iTunes and started the application, just wait for it to download the essential updates. And then if you have an iCloud account, you can log into the iCloud account and then connect your iPhone to your PC or your Mac using the Lightning to USB connector. And then after connecting, you'll be shown, after trusting and giving permissions, you'll be shown these two options. So most probably you'll be needing your data, right? So if you need your data, which most of you would need your data because you haven't backed up yet because it was a crash, use the update button to update, and it will update to the latest stable software, and then your iPhone will be restored with the data that you had before crashing. Or if you don't want your data and want to restore and like flash your iPhone so that you can make your iPhone faster, you can restore the iPhone, and the iTunes will do its part in a couple of minutes. It should take like 10 to 15 minutes to do its downloads and updates necessary applications. And then here you can see my iPhone has started working again, and you can use iPhone as you would use normally. If it doesn't work on the first try, just keep trying for 2 to 3 times. A couple of times would actually restore your iPhone to your latest stable version, and your iPhone should start working. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this every day. And if you have any comments, you can put your queries down in the comments, we'll reply to you. For more tips and trips like this, visit gossipfunda.com, and you can also visit us on social media like Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Check out the link in the description and you can visit the website. Thank you.